Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. You must be signed into the same Apple ID on the device and have an active iCloud email. Once signed in, open Settings and tap your name. Make sure iCloud Mail is enabled. Then go to Messages and turn on iMessage. This registers your device with Apple's service. Do this now so Apple can link your iCloud address to iMessage. Doing it early avoids account mismatch and sync delays across devices. Now configure which addresses iMessage uses. Open Settings, tap Messages, then Send and Receive. You'll see phone numbers and emails linked to your Apple ID. Once there, check your iCloud address under Both You Can Be Reached and start new conversations so messages originate and arrive correctly. On Mac, open Messages Preferences iMessage and match the same selections. Make sure each device shows the same active iCloud email. Finish by testing and syncing. Send an iMessage that starts from your iCloud email to a contact. Once done, make sure the same thread appears on your other devices. If messages don't sync, sign out of iMessage and sign back in to force re-registration, and make sure two-factor authentication isn't blocking devices. If still stuck, check Apple ID status in Settings and reset network settings as a last quick fix. This resolves most connectivity-related iMessage issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.